Namic and Medline have had such a successful journey together because Namic has always been a leader in the cath lab space and offering high quality products and really understanding what cath labs need. And since we've combined that with Medline's market leadership in a lot of the procedural areas and our distribution network and large sales team, the marriage has been wonderful. And I think that some of those unique aspects of both companies have what helped us to be successful over the last 5 years.
What we have accomplished in the last 5 years, I'm super excited and proud of. We had our fair share of challenges, whether it's the pandemic impact, whether it's the system challenges, labor force shortage, but how the team reacted, how we overcame those challenges, I'm most proud of. And now we're on a path of a very good growth.
The key to that growth has been a lot of things. Not only is it the people, so people in the manufacturing side and the sales side and the clinical side, but also being very strategic in saying, how are we going to partner with customers? How are we going to look at this business as a portion of our portfolio, not only as a standalone piece, but as an overall comprehensive offering to the healthcare industry.
Namic products are truly life-saving products. We have numerous instances in our Glens Falls facility where employees brought an insert from the kit which was used on their family members. They wanted to acknowledge and thank them actual employees who worked on this kit.
They really understand that everything they do on a daily basis impacts a patient. And they see how what they do on a daily basis impacts a bigger picture. And so that's something that's really special and very unique about that location. The future is so bright. We continue to innovate. We continue to find new ways to partner with customers. We've continued to invest in the sales force because they really are that front line, understanding what our customers need. At the anniversary, the sales force will be double the size it was at the acquisition, and I'm really looking forward to how it'll continue to grow in the future.
I'm very proud of it. I'm the biggest champion cheerleader for Namic. I have been involved in this acquisition from day one, so I do want to pause and celebrate what the team has accomplished in the last 5 years. And I know sky is the limit for what Namic will do under Medline in the next 5 years.